Making the black tea that came in the kombucha kit that we got from Amazon in the kit here. Very simple process to make kombucha. You make tea, put it in there, put cold water in, wait till it's about in the 70s, and then put your SCOBY in there with your sugar. Make sure it's all dissolved. Get to that next. While that's brewing, we're gonna take some vinegar and water and clean out the inside. I went a little high and splurged and got the little heating blanket for it. I think it was like 40 bucks for the kit. So, gonna see how this turns out. Let's do some cleaning. And dumped all of it in there. Squish all your juices out through the strainer. Good stuff in there. Now we add 8 cups of our distilled water. Alright, so it's unplugged, our little heater. Our kombucha is sitting right at 76 there. So that's a good temperature, anywhere from 68 to 86. 76, right in the middle, right on. Take our cover off. We're gonna put our little alien baby in there, our SCOBY. That thing, schnodball, plus all the stuff in there. And here, pretty simple to make this stuff. Oh, so far, that's a big packet. I don't know if it can fit out of that hole. Bombs away. Our SCOBY is in. He floats. He's a floater. Check it out. He is a floater. Cool. Okay, so that's done. Next step now is to give this a gentle little stir. So we got our tea in there. We got our sugar in there. So now we're going to give it a gentle stir. And then we're going to test our pH. You want your pH stuff to be pretty low. It's like a 4.5 or something. Yeah, 4.5. So the color is in the 3-4 range by the looks of it. Definitely in the 3-4 range. It's not purple. 3-4. I would say it's happy. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's all there is to kombucha. Well, let's just cover it up with our provided little cloth that they gave us, an elastic band. Put that on there. Double up your band. done. We were making some kombucha. Kombucha. Keep our strips. Yeah. It's pretty orange. I would say that's good. Now we're going to tuck it away in this corner here that's nowhere near light. And you don't want it in the sunlight. You want it in a corner. You don't want it in a cupboard. This has got to breathe. It brews best between 68 and 78. So we're in a prime spot. You don't even need to plug in this pad yet. But that'll be good come like fall or something when it's a little bit chillier in the house. That's gonna play an effect really well. Yeah, great review. Everything's going good so far. Super simple, good instructions. Pretty hard to mess it up. Don't pitch your SCOBY into your tea until you get her down in temperature, or it's not gonna be happy. Yeah, other than that, oh, right. So this takes about 12 days to brew. So today being August 2nd, it'll be ready on the 12th roughly for our secondary fermentation, which is simply just putting it into jars or bottles such as this that have the pop tops on them. You get these at your, dollar stores or whatever. Order them on Amazon as well. And this is where I could put some ginger and lemon in here and let this sit for another week or so, and it'll get flavored. Then you have yourself lemon ginger kombucha, which is delicious and extremely good for you. So there you go, have it. We'll do another video in 12 days. You could also put